Hoqisile imbawo zawo zebhayili ekhotho kaMagistrata weMalamulele eLimpopo. Amadoda amabili asolwa ngokubulala uMeyara kaMasipalata weCollins Shabane uMoses Mulaudzi. Icala litshwiliselwe umhla ka-19 kuKhukhulamungu.
Abasolwa bavele kafeaturesana ekhotho. Baqalene namacala okulinga ukubulala, ukubamba inkunzi ngenhloso yokulimaza nokuphatha isigidi esingasisemthethweni kunye nenkule. Mhlaba vele ekhotho kokugcina bebanganagcwetha. Basahoqile kwakhathesi ukufaka isibawo sebhayili.
Both accused for this matter of the mayor of Collins Shabane therefore abandoned their bail application. And then this matter has been postponed to the 19th of September 2022.
Umndeni kaMaluleke osenhlungwini ukwamukela ukuthuliswa kwecaleli.
I think the postponement of the case, it gives the police and the court to give us the good investigation so that when they come back, they need to have a very tight case that maybe they have to deal with on the issue of the perpetrators. So we are fine with the postponement, especially now the investigation is ongoing.
Nakusenjalo somkhandlu wezokuphepha komphakathi uPholi Bushiyelo kandelela lokuthi baningi abanye abasazokuboshwa malungana nokubulawa kwaka-Maluleke khona duze.
I was briefed by the police how far are they with the case, and I think we have a very tight case. That is why you saw them themselves refusing to apply for bail. So up to so far, I'm very happy we have made a breakthrough, and people will be arrested very soon.
Icaleli lokubuyela ekhotho le ngenyanga ezako.